This is the Roland BY20, and if you're thinking about adding direct-to-film to your small business, this might be the printer for you. The Roland BY20 is the newest desktop DTF solution from Roland, and with its compact design, user-friendly interface, and easy maintenance, it's a perfect entry point to high-quality direct-to-film printing. This printer is a massive improvement over previous models, with twice the speed of its predecessor, the BN20D. Let's talk about the form factor. While much larger than conventional printers, the BY20 is incredibly compact compared to other professional DTF printers. It measures 42 inches across, about 25 inches deep, and about 25 inches tall. It only weighs 137 pounds, which makes the BY20 the only dedicated direct-to-film printer that can fit on top of a desk, workbench, or table. DTF printers usually require a lot of maintenance, and that can be a barrier to entry with professional garment printing. But not for the Roland BY20. Features like the advanced white ink circulation help keep maintenance low, and even allows the printer to sit idle for long periods of time without causing problems later when it starts printing again. Standard daily procedures are as simple as shaking the white ink and performing a muzzle check before printing, and performing basic cleaning at the end of the day. Once maintenance is done, the BY20 has a fast start-up to print time, and the software is surprisingly simple to use. Simply import your artwork into Flexi Design, generate an underbase layer, and send to the printer via VersaWorks. The included BY20 utility software will alert you when maintenance is needed, as well as offer easy-to-use maintenance options at the click of a button. VersaWorks is a game-changer in the industry. This RIP software allows you full access to Roland's entire color library, as well as Pantone libraries for spot color matching. Standout features of this printer are its automated cutting system, 20-inch wide printing capability, a front-loading ink cartridge bay, a large drain tank, 2 heaters built into the printer to help cure the ink, as well as a fully functional vinyl cutter. This printer is incredibly easy to set up thanks to Roland's extensive online training and setup materials and videos. Features like this make the Roland BY20 a great option for someone looking to take their first steps into the direct-to-film industry. Check it out for yourself at dtfsuperstore.com.